Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's primarily super dry weather that's bad for big bubbles, because it causes the water in the bubble to evaporate too quickly, which causes your bubbles to pop. Hot plus dry just emphasizes this evaporation problem, as does a bit of wind. 31 August 2015.
Take our lead.
Some soaps make bubbles that last longer than others, so experiment with different types until you find one you like. Simply mix 1 part liquid soap and 4 parts water in a jar, cup or bowl. Mix soap and water. Liquid dish soap, body wash or shampoo, all natural laundry detergent.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bubble-friendly glycerin mixes. While glycerin does not noticeably improve bubble friendliness in typical detergent, water mixes, it can be a critical ingredient in some recipes that have little or no water. These mixes are generally used for blowing small or even tiny bubbles.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Measure 6 cups of water into 1 container, then pour 1 cup of dish soap into the water and slowly stir it until the soap is mixed in. Try not to let foam or bubbles form while you stir. Measure 1 tablespoon of glycerin or 1/4 cup of corn syrup and add it to the container. Stir the solution until it is mixed together.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To create your bubble solution, first mix 2 cups of dish soap, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of glycerin in a large bowl. Pour in a half gallon of distilled water, and stir. Let the solution sit overnight for best results.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you try to make bubbles using normal water, you will quickly see that it doesn't work very well. This is because the surface tension, the forces holding the molecules of a liquid together, of water is too high. When detergent is added to water, it lowers the surface tension so that bubbles can form. 1 December 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions to make bouncing bubbles without glycerin. Add the water to a small bowl and pour in the dish soap. Add the sugar and stir gently until the sugar is dissolved. Now your bubble solution is ready and it's time for the fun. Put on the winter gloves and gently blow bubbles using the bubble wand. That was quick. The 8th of April 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.